now let's look at some different type of button styles that we can add. So to add a new button style, let's do dot. Let's add this modifier. Let's do dot button style. And let's just hit dot here, and then we'll see a list of all the styles that we can do. So let's just hit automatic first, and obviously that'll be what we see on the screen. So let's try a different one. And now let's try bordered. And you'll see we get this one where it's like kind of like a secondary button with like some gray background and the text is blue, but you can still click on it. Now let's try a different style. So let's try my favorite, bordered prominent. And you see it's like this. It's more pronounced, like that's like the first thing you see. And you definitely see this type of button in a bunch of different apps. So it's just depending on what you want your button to be used for, based on the style you might pick. So let's try borderless. And then for borderless, it pretty much just looks like some regular text, just like blue. But difference is you can actually click on it. So that's decent. And then for the last one, I think the last one is plain. And for plain, it will just look like some regular text, but it is clickable. You see, I can click on it. So those are pretty much some of the button styles that you get from default for buttons. Eventually, we'll be able to make our own custom type of styles. So yeah.